Teeth cleaning dentist near me. Advantages of getting your teeth cleaned by a dentist. Professional teeth cleaning by an experienced dentist aims to eliminate tartar, plaque and other deposits that have accumulated within the teeth for several months or even years. Tartar is a hard deposit that hardens on the teeth after one's eating habits becomes unhealthy. If you are suffering from gingivitis or any other kind of teeth ailment, then you will require regular appointment with your dentist. Regular professional teeth cleaning is a key aspect of good oral hygiene and is required to keep your teeth healthy and in good condition. It may not be possible to treat gingivitis or any other kind of tooth ailment completely by home remedies. No wonder maintaining the oral hygiene is very important because the prevention of gum disease is the best form of treatment available for such ailments. In fact, generally, every person must visit his or her dentist at least twice in a year for a professional clean and examination of the gums. A professional clean will not only help you avoid any kind of gum disease or periodontal disease but also it will help you fight against tartar, which is one of the most common forms of oral disease. Another advantage of visiting a dentist for teeth cleaning is that a dentist is well equipped with the latest tools and techniques for performing this procedure. So, do not worry if you feel that you don't have any experience in this area, as a dental professional is well equipped with all the necessary training needed to do the job. It would also be prudent for you to discuss with your dentist about a regular schedule for the procedure. And, if you are suffering from any dental ailment, then you should make it a point to go to your dentist for regularly scheduled dental cleaning and examination. John L. Birch DDS. Teeth Cleaning Dentist. 650-965-1234.